Ever heard grown-ups talk about the US national debt and wondered, what's that? Is it like when I owe my friend a cookie? Well, sort of. Let's break it down. Super simple. Imagine you really, really want a cookie, but your cookie jar is empty. So, you ask your friend to lend you one. Now, you owe your friend a cookie. That's called debt. Now, imagine the United States is like a giant person. Let's call him Uncle Sam, who wants to buy things for everyone. Parks, schools, roads, even space rockets. But sometimes Uncle Sam doesn't have enough money in his jar to pay for everything. So what does he do? He borrows money. Instead of borrowing cookies, he borrows dollars from other countries, from banks, and even from people like you and me. Every time Uncle Sam borrows, he promises to pay it back later. He writes a little note that says, "I owe you," which is just a fancy way of saying, "I promise to give this back." These notes are called IOUs. It's like if you borrowed a toy from your friend and wrote on a piece of paper, "I owe you one toy," so you both remember. All these IOUs stacked up together are called the national debt. It's like a giant mountain of borrowed cookies. Dollars. Right now, the US national debt is huge. Like so big, if you stacked dollar bills, you could probably reach the moon. Okay, maybe not, but you get the idea. But why does Uncle Sam keep borrowing? Well, sometimes emergencies happen, like fixing roads after a storm or helping people who lost their jobs. Sometimes he just spends more than he earns. The good news? The US can usually pay back its debt because people trust Uncle Sam. The not so good news? If the debt gets too big, paying it back gets harder, like trying to carry a mountain of cookies without dropping any. So, the US national debt is just all the money the government owes because it borrowed to pay for stuff. It's a bit like borrowing cookies from your friends, just with a lot more zeros.